a safety check before you fly. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Perform a safety check before you fly. Learn how to take off. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Control aircraft to descend. Check the status of device hardware such as the aircraft battery, remote controller control aircraft to turn left. Control aircraft to turn right. Check the flight altitude, distance from the home point, and flight speed. Control aircraft to move forward. Control aircraft to move backward. Switch between photo, video, and quick shots modes. Control aircraft to move leftward. Control aircraft to move rightward. Learn how to land.